You know, I read a book in a Jewish history about a rabbi from the 13th century that he wrote that he was longing to be a woman.
Tell me, baby, baby, do I walk like a boy? Do I speak like a boy? Do I stand like a boy? Sorry, baby, you keep asking, do I kiss like a boy? Should I spit like a boy? May I fuck all the boys? Tell me, baby, baby, do I walk like a boy? Do I speak like a boy? Do I stand like a boy? Sorry, babe, you keep asking, do I kiss
I am
like a
born
boy?
like
Should I
this,
spit
and the
like a
reason
boy?
that I've
May I
come
fuck
here,
all
this
the
is from
boys?
God.
Tell me, baby, what about my masculinity? What the fuck is wrong with my body? Am I not enough? Or even too much? It would be short-sighted try.
Like a power for a human being to face this place.
That I don't care.
Do you know her? She come by foot from Gaza?
To be a man.